Did you know cracking your knuckles doesn't actually cause arthritis? The popping sound comes from bubbles in the fluid of your joints, rapidly collapsing when you stretch them. For years, people believed this habit would lead to arthritis, but science says otherwise. In fact, a study compared people who cracked their knuckles daily with those who didn't and found no difference in arthritis rates. Arthritis is more commonly caused by factors like age, genetics, and injury, not cracking your knuckles. But cracking your knuckles might weaken grip strength over time, so don't overdo it. Still, it's safe to pop away without fear of arthritis.